Welcome to the Silent D Motor Show. I'm your host, Silent D. The grazing season is over. It's time to get the cattle from our pasture cabin. And what better vehicle to do it in than this 1957 Volvo TP21, commonly known as Sugga, which is Swedish and means so, which was the nickname of the taxi vehicle that this military vehicle was based on. Post Second World War, the Swedish military needed a radio car, so they hired Volvo for the job, and they basically took this taxi cab and put it on a 4x4 chassis, and the engine being all the rugged workhorse 3.6 liter, 90 horsepower, 6-cylinder beast that is plenty to get around in the terrain, which I will demonstrate very soon. But first, let's have a look inside. Functional, military style. Maybe with the exception of the gauges, which came from 30s Buick, and for some reason they chose this Art Deco fonts, which just make it look oddly weird in this rugged military vehicle. Also, one of my favorite, this little chain, which pull up basically, which appears to be window blinds to cover the engine in the winter to make it stay warmer. Let's go fetch some cows. Only 720 of these were produced, only used by the Swedish military, and once they didn't need them anymore, many were V8 swapped and beaten to death. This, however, is mostly original, just got a little more civilian paint count and leather interior. And then we threw out all the radio equipment, giving it a lot of space in the rear, which has proven useful for wedding gigs. Okay, so now it's getting real gnarly. It's time to put it in 4-wheel drive, in low range, and put on the differentials. Here we are at the cabin, and there are the cows. We got a bit of a military theme today, obviously. And another fun fact, this cabin was used by the Norwegian resistance, like military movement during the Second World War. I'll try to translate this. Drop point, Flyttereseter. Flyttere is the name of my farm, and seter is like a pasture cabin. So forload in April of 1945. Allied airplanes with gun load to Norwegian home front. Milorg, name of the military like resistance organization. And the code word was Hitler with bazooka. And let's have a look at the actual drop containers. Here they are. Been laying here for 60 years. 70. Lina, is it time to go home? grateful for having this grazing opportunities in the mountains and in the forest for our cattle. And basically through the plants and through the cattle, we are converting sun energy to proteins, to meat, to proteins that we can eat. Thank you to Jørgen Olin for being behind the camera today. I put a link to his channel in the description. And thanks to Lauren from WWII Exchange, that's worldwide opportunities in organic farming. She came here to help in September, and so can you. So maybe we'll see you here, if not in the next episode. Thank you for watching.
If you don't know me, I'm S to the D. Coming in hard, you better watch it, dog. You're not the only guy filming cars. S to the D does cars and bars. Fuck oversteer, fuck cars and bits. Dog DeMuro makes content for kids, so give a thumbs up, subscribe to me, and remember my name, Silent D. We all know the car OG is S to the D, is S to the D, is S S S S S to the D, is S to the D, is S to the D. Bow.